of them, right?
Well, there's 2 left, there you are.
The last time?
There were 6 last year.
Yeah, last year 6, same color.
Yes.
Why the color is coming the grey color? Does it change it? That's what like, the parents are right. So why they are coming grey? Because later after 8 months, they put here like 6 months. They later they take him away. The last term. So.
Because last year they nested along there, didn't
Yeah,
they?
yeah, yeah.
Just opposite the Lidos. I hope those eggs will be alright.
Usually it won't leave actually. I was saying that sitting all the time here. I'm happy to see them. Oh, new friends, welcome.
I wonder if she remembers. There's 2 eggs left. Got the biggest, I think this is the male. That black bit, the biggest one is the male. I think this is the male. Yes, lady, come on.
Yeah, she's saying, come
2
on.
left. Maybe they come and
enough.
sit on the nest for a while for warmth. Yes, go on, sit on them.